Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give permanent request access permission from Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your Google Drive application in your mobile phone, or you can also open your Google Drive from your laptop or PC. And after you have opened your Google Drive, you can choose a file or a folder you want to share, or you want to give permanent request access permission to someone. For instance, I'm going to choose this file. I'm going to share this file to a user, and then we can click on manage access. Alright, and if you want to give a permanent request access permission from this Google Drive, you can click on this icon and you can add people or groups to your file or your folder in Google Drive, so they will be able to access this file or this folder. I'm just going to add this one, for example. Okay, and I'm going to choose the type of the access. We can choose viewer, commenter, or editor, and I'm going to select editor so this user can edit this Google Drive file. You can also add a message before you share this Google Drive file to the user. Once you're ready to share it, you can click on the send button. Okay, and then the access permission will be shared. Alright guys, then that's all the way to give permanent request access permission from Google Drive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.